What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Let Dirt Fly YouTube channel. It's been a minute. We apologize.
Yes.
So Seth and I just couldn't get our schedules to work together the last couple weeks here. For whatever reason, just between work and then his work schedule and stuff like that. And
you're on vacation.
Yeah, went on a short little vacation. So, but we're back. And we got the 650 over there. And then we have Seth's 850 over there somewhere. So, yep, right there. Yep, it's right there. So, yeah, today we're just going to go ahead and have some fun. It's at my house, so we're not at any park or anything. So I actually haven't even been back there in 3 weeks or so. So
it's been a minute.
Hopefully there's mud, because I don't even know. There might not be anything at all.
Oh, believe me, there's going to be mud, and if it's dried up, it's going to be thick, sticky, nasty mud.
All right.
So
that's good enough for me. All right, guys. So right now we'll just have to catch you guys out on the trail.
Yeah, out on the trail.
All right, folks. We're back in action here. Sorry, it's been a little bit of a wait, but we're back. Don't worry. I have not ridden a quad literally since the last video because it's been busy. So
yeah, see, and I also I sent out my ECU, got her flashed, so
there you go. So
first run.
So now Seth's really gonna show me up in the mud. We'll find out.
We'll see.
650 power, baby. I'll apologize right now. So Seth, of course, naturally, for first ride, forgot his GoPro today, so he's gonna be wearing a 9 on his neck, or not his neck, sorry, I have something hitting me in the neck. He's gonna be wearing the 9 today instead of his GoPro 7, which doesn't have the mic adapter, so his audio might be a little iffy. We don't know. We're gonna find out when I go to edit it. Okay, stream is all the way up. Good. Look at all the bugs in that water.
Oh.
And look at all the color of the water. That is disgusting. Why is it so brown?
I don't know.
Let's see what's going on in the stream today. Let's see how deep she is. That coldness feels great. Oh, Seth's not wearing waders today. Nope. Smart guy. Smart guy. Yeah. It feels nice. It's deep, but it's not that deep. At least it's something. Oh, I probably just tore that up.
Oh, is that what? I just saw it sticking outside.
That thing's so loud now. The people will love it, but my neighbors won't.
You're always worried about your neighbor. Ridiculous.
Yeah, that's the only thing they couldn't edit out of the tunes on both of ours. They said it's technically illegal to take out the reverse limiters, which sucks. Should have known yours was gonna pop right up.
Only concern.
What's that?
Is it like the swamp? Leeches.
Oh yeah. Really?
Oh, come on, baby brother.
It's not baby brother, this freaking bank is horrible.
That thing is real. Who tore that apart?
The stream probably did, or us at some point. I got it. See, I just had to hit it with a little more speed. I had a bad angle. And here comes Seth to the 30s. He's gonna take it right up. Yep. Told you.
Alright, so this is as far out as my arm goes. Hopefully it's good enough. So Marcel's going to go first, clean out this hole, which has proven in the past to be a little difficult on the first person through. So let's see what he can do.
Alright, let's see here. This spot, it's thick. Baby brother coming through. Watch out. That's how you do it. Baby brother power, man.
Yeah, baby brother power.
All right, so that wasn't too bad. Usually this hole's a lot worse, but we haven't hit in a while, so I think the mud packed down a little bit. Now that I stirred it up, let's see what the 850 that's freshly tuned with an exhaust does. And I'm sure this thing's gonna sound mean and probably be mean to my neighbors. So right now, let's just see what Seth can do with it.
Saying, it needs an exhaust, it's too quiet, yada yada yada. Well, now you can hear me coming.
Alright, now we're gonna hit this hole over here. Pretty mean. And it's always deep and it's mean. It doesn't look like that bad from the distance, but it's bad.
It is bad. I think I'm gonna try and launch it as best as I can.
Oh, that's so.
When it comes to my turn.
That was gonna be my approach, so we're on the same page with that.
Roger.
Let's see what happens. This hole seems to always never disappoint as far as stuckage goes.
Well, lately it hasn't.
I don't know if I can get the speed from here.
Good luck.
Alright, here we go. Here goes absolutely probably nothing. It smells so bad. Yeah, I know. There she goes.
This way.
I'm trying. Easier said than done. Weighs 900 pounds and sitting on the ground.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Dude, it's beach so bad it's spinning the tires and I'm not even on it. Oh my god, dude! Holy crap, look how deep it is! Ah. Oh my god. I love my Mud Bandit. Keep coming. Alright. Let me get her in the Il Reverso. Alright, yank me. Alright guys, so Seth's gonna give the mud hole a try right now. That thing, it doesn't look bad from a distance, but the ruts have to be at least like 4 foot deep. I mean, they're bad. I mean, if you saw how buried my quad was when I was tipping on either side, there's just nothing. It's just one giant rut across the whole bottom. So right now, Seth's gonna give it a try on 850. I think his only advantage is he has a little bit more power off the line than I do, and he might be able to skim it. That's probably the only way he's gonna make it. So we're gonna find out right now. And he ended right in the hole. Can't even see you either. He's got the 30s up. Oh, 30's coming. Are the 30s actually gonna help you there? No, you're good. Okay, good. be all rutted through here now too. The mud!
850.
Woo! Yeah. Move that log, boy. I gotta go clean up the camera now. It's got mud on it.
Okay. I'm a little tired from that.
Yeah, I can imagine.
Whew. Slow and easy.
Now 30s in power. Makes a
It
difference.
helps. It definitely helps doing that. Whew. All right, you want to come around the 650 way?
Yeah, let's come around to 650 way. We'll have to catch you guys in a second. All right, so back to the old mud run. That's right, so this spot is always a fun little challenge that Seth and I get to do. It's usually a lot of fun. It's just kind of rutted anymore, like anything else around here. So Seth's gonna go rut it even more for my little 650, which is fantastic. So let's just see how Seth gets through it right now.
All right, so it's been a minute. Let's see how she is. You're welcome for cleaning her out.
I don't know how they said that exhaust is like one of the quietest exhausts. That thing is so
It's-
rowdy sounding.
It's loud, but not too loud. It's not like RJWC.
It's pretty loud, dude.
Yeah.
Compared to mine, I think mine's the quietest one you can get for his quad. These quads.
Baby Lander. Manly
Okay.
Lander.
Maybe we'll have to do a comparison video for the people to see if it makes a difference. The compression. It does a little bit, I'm sure.
What, swap exhaust?
We'll just slip it on temporarily.
Yeah.
I mean, you don't have to drive it, but just to hear the difference.
Yeah, absolutely.
See if that tames that, and then maybe we can swap you.
I know what you paid for yours. I think I actually paid less for mine.
For something?
450? 9?
460, I think.
Okay.
Yeah, so pretty close.
Fair trade, as the Indians would say.
All right, so now that Seth has trenched it for me, now I get to go.
I did not trench it by any way, shape, or form. I cleaned it out.
I will say it did go very easy for me.
It's not even easy for you. It's literally stump, 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 rock, root, you know.
I was telling him it's
What
so
I
rough.
learned with the Polaris is I just can't go f***ing wide open. So, you know, I'm trying to save my axles on this.
Oh, is that kind of?
Trying to save the axles. Who would ever thought you'd hear me say that?
That defeats the purpose of our shirt we have. Get your merch at Letterflies Teespring.
Teespring.
Although we're trying to come up with something better. Teespring was the quality of
The
shirts.
quality
I apologize
is
if
a
you guys
little
got
rough,
anything from
but-
there. Yeah, the quality, like the shirts didn't stick around. That's why you hardly even see us wearing ours anymore because they didn't stick. But I'm working on something right now with somebody. So hopefully we'll have some better merch for you guys. Really good stuff. Really good stuff.
Right.
Keeping the same designs for the most part and adding some more. So keep an eye out.
All right, guys, so the Baby Lander is getting himself in position. He should be able to make this. This shouldn't be too hard. The only real problem is right here in this corner, because, and you'll see the way Marshall comes into it. He does it every time. He digs it because he keeps going to the outside rather than the in. So, watch, he'll do it this time, I swear.
All right. Unlike Seth, I'm just gonna hit the gas and pray. So here we go. Classic Marshall style. That brain's right in your way.
See, I said it, and he did the opposite. Good.
What?
Done. I was just talking about how your normal strategy when you're into this last section here, you always lean to the outside. I said, watch, he's going to do it again. But you lean to the inside this time.
Well, what I gotta get, I have to get the gold finger. I want to get the gold finger so bad. This way you have left hand throttle when you go into a mud hole. You don't want to use it all the time, obviously, but it's just one of those things makes life a lot easier because you can lean on the left side of the bike, pull, and then have throttle control with your left hand. Just makes things easier. Right now, all you can really do with the mud strap is grab it and pull to the right.
Yeah.
So,
Goldfinger on the list.
Yes.
Apparently, we have no battery left in this.
All right, I got another one.
All right.
All right, let's go hit the long mud thing and see how deep that is.
Roger.
All right, so we're gonna go hit a deep. Oh, geez. I'll wait till you're through there. It's so loud. We're gonna go hit a little deep fun spot we usually hit over here. I thought it was gonna be way drier than this, so this is nice. Get the cool off in the water, even though I'm wearing waders, but still. I mean, not put it in the poison ivy like directly. Alright, this one's a little deep to bring the good camera in, so GoPros it is. I'll let you go a little bit ahead of me.
Now, where's that rock?
They're like, oh, that thing's really deep. They passed the rock already. How's the traction feel?
How's it feel? Not bad. A little slip.
Of course I get in a rut. I'm like floating it, dude.
Yeah, there's a bit of water in there today. There's definitely a bit of water.
Go that way. Hey, want to go for a D spot today?
You first.
Woo! Sliding in there.
Oh, I was like, I heard your quad like idling down. I'm like, oh, what happened?
No, it like, oh, I just bottomed out right on that rock.
Nice.
Dude, that was deep, dude.
It was nice though.
It was nice, man. Even though I got the snorkels, dude, it still freaks me out going that deep. Ever since I swamped it.
Yeah, I mean, I get it. I get it.
Hey, watch it, your quad looks brand new.
Hell yeah, I like it.
Mine, not so much actually, funny enough, and I got the SC1 on mine.
Yeah, like, it looks like my front end dove farther than yours. I don't know if it was maybe just the path I chose.
I really the last portion of it pretty good.
Oh, so did I, but I think the first couple sections, I actually dove it right under.
Did you? All right, so right now we're probably gonna cross over the stream and go hit the old mud spot there. We gotta start naming these spots. That's the mud run.
Yeah.
What is this called? This is just like the water wheelie.
Well, this is
heaven, or I guess we could call it.
I don't know what part of the stream you want to call this. That's the swamped area. Marshall swamped.
Yeah, this is the that's the quad spot. You want to go through it?
Not right now. Not without actually seeing how high the water is.
You know what it is? It's I mean, we felt it through there. My quad was getting a little flotacious actually up there. Yeah. I don't know if yours was.
Yeah, a little bit.
Like I felt it doing this deal, but there's no bottom over there. That's why I sunk it. But it literally sunk. It just like.
Yeah, it did.
Sad. But all right, I got to run back and grab the camera all the way back there. Probably just gonna walk a bit easier. Enjoy the.
There you go.
Enjoy the breeze. All right, catch you guys in a second. All right, so right now we just gotta cross over the stream over here, and when you first dip into the stream on this little section here, it's not bad at all. Like maybe like 2.5 foot, if that. But out of nowhere, over by that tree over there, which you'll probably see in a second, it just drops off and gets super stupid deep.
I don't remember it getting that deep.
Not that bad, but you'll see. It's not that bad today. Maybe it's because we rode the CF and stuff last time. Over there is bad.
There is terrible. That's
I don't even want to. I don't even want to show, like, step through it and show them. That's how bad it is.
No, that's real good.
When it was dry, I couldn't make it through there.
Yeah, I remember.
Dude, look at how much this is growing up. Holy God. This got deep right here too.
Yeah. That was really deep in the CF.
It made it though.
You want to go left into the water or just go to the mud?
Yeah, but
Part of me wants to try it two-wheel drive.
you're just gonna
Probably be
roost.
good. It'd probably be good until I get over there.
Yeah. Have you been through here with your quad yet?
Yeah.
I have. Oh yeah, because we came over. I remember now. Yeah, this mud's always so nasty. I got the cameras on the back, so I'm trying not to splash too much. I remember this used to be our hardest hole, dude. And now I'm just idling through it.
In four-wheel.
Oh, you did too?
Yep.
Oh, how fancy are you? Well, I'm trying not to get the backpack too muddy.
Yeah.
Trying to get our waterproof backpack still.
This section, I should go in four-wheel.
Yeah, I would, yeah.
You briggers!
Oh. Whose idea was to wear shorts again?
Mine.
You just trenched that so bad for me, I feel my bottom is dragging now.
Pretty sure my bottom was dragging too.
I made it. Yeah. Oh, God. Alright, so this is a back entrance to the swamp here. Yes, we're at the swamp. You can probably see it over there in the distance. We like going this way sometimes into it because it's kind of cool. It's different. And it's actually kind of gnarly in some spots.
Oh, I thought down on something there.
Yeah, well, there's lots of big rocks here. Oh, yeah, I just dragged bottom. Oh, the grass is back. Yay. We're gonna be cleaning out our axles in a little bit here. I'll let you clean it out for me real quick. Thanks, bud. Great. Now I'm gonna go get stuck. Woo! I fell like right in.
Oh, shit.
Whoa!
Don't do that.
2 tires coming off the ground over there, boy.
Yeah. Cut it a little close, I guess.
Yeah, I'd go more into the deep spot for our normal section there. This swamp looks so different right now. Yeah, we made it in. Look at that. Are we going? Oh, you're gonna go right over here, huh? You're gonna play, right?
Oh, we can go do that.
Look
first.
at that mud, dude.
I know. It's a lot of silt.
That's very silty. All right, folks. So if you are new to the channel, welcome. Make sure you subscribe. It'd be really appreciated. But this is the swamp. So this is like our almost quad proving ground, I guess you can call it. It's kind of where we come to test most of them. It's got kind of a whole bunch of different muds. We have like a short hole over here. Got some really bad stuff over there. You can't really see it through the grass right now. And then I got this little hole here. This is always fun.
Yeah, that's actually worse than you think.
Yeah, but it's all soft silt today.
You got the trench over there. And yeah, there's lots of different muds.
Oh yeah, so we're just gonna go ahead and have some fun here. So probably first, Seth hasn't really christened his quad into our good old mud hole. That was like one of the first mud holes we kind of hit together. Yeah. Back in the day, last year February.
That was
freezing
like
out.
The one that I couldn't make for the longest time.
With the flares.
Yeah.
Now it's just like just drive right through it. Can-Am life. Actually, you didn't even try it.
I didn't even try it with this Can-Am.
Exactly. That's why we haven't even put that through yet. Because I mean, he kind of made it through the other section, which is harder. So
neither one of us had ever made it through the other section, and I drove through that, so it's like, all right, we just assume we're gonna go right through there.
Yeah. So we're gonna.
But we're gonna do it anyway.
We're gonna put the 850 through.
We're gonna do it. Why not?
We know we're just gonna do it right through there. We're gonna get some slow-mos.
Oh.
Slow-mo time.
Oh.
Slow-mo time. Catch you guys right now. All right, folks. So here is the famed, this old hole. It's actually way deeper than it looks. It's probably, I don't know, 2.5, 3 feet in the middle. But it's pretty rutted. It's been really used and abused. So Seth's gonna go ahead with the 850 first and tear it up for marshals. This way I can't make it through. So here we go.
Trying to remember where all those nasty ruts are.
I'll be mad at that. There it is. Right there, you meant to hit like a rut or something. I can feel it in the ground over here.
Oh, really?
Yeah. All right, so 850 made it through. Kind of figured that, but he actually struggled a little bit. Like, kind of a little bit, not really. But hopefully 650 can make it, because this used to be the 650's crown, because the Polaris used to not be able to make it, and the 650 could, so. I mean, unfortunately, I'm baby brother now. Sad time, sad time. Maybe not for long, you never know.
All right, so hopefully Marshall stays out of the rut a little better than me, because I did not do a good job of that. You don't want to roll your quad in this water.
I think the best way to hit it's over here. Kind of got to go through the weeds.
Like
I'm gonna try it.
That side over there?
No, over here. Like
That's
closer to you.
yeah, you did that the last time. You cheated by it.
That's probably what I'm gonna do right now.
You stayed out of the rut doing it like that.
Yep, that's what I'm gonna do right now. There we go. Oh, am I recording? I should be recording. Yep. All right. Woohoo! I tried to. Still made it through, boy. That, I tried staying on top of it. Dude, that's scary. Like, when that nose is in, that feels like you're going over.
Yeah.
I'm surprised I didn't, because I can hit that with a lot more speed than you did. .650 power, baby.
Beautiful. 650 makes it pretty small. You can go first.
No.
Yeah.
All right, guys, welcome to the worst hole we have. Probably not the worst one, actually. Pretty bad, though. So this thing is gnarly. It's just really soft bottom, grass, so you get that wrapped in your axles. Fantastic, love it. And then, yeah, it's just 850 usually makes it. 650, hit or miss. So we're gonna find out today, right now. Seth's gonna fire it up, see if he can make it.
Somebody sat and tore it up.
Oh, okay. I don't even think I'm going to attempt it on the 650, to be honest.
It's pretty bad today.
It's bad, dude.
It's really bad today.
Looking at your axles,
Oh, I'm sure they're screwed right now.
Yeah.
You want to plug that out for me?
I got an expensive camera in my hand. I'd rather hold this thing. Yeah, so I'll be first to admit, I'm probably not gonna make it on 650. I'll be the first to admit, I don't think I'm making it through with the 650, to be honest. I mean, I don't have the ground clearance that he does, or the power. I have decent power, but
How'd she do?
not bad, except I'm definitely not making that.
Come on, give it a shot.
At least you have a working winch.
Come on, baby brother. Get in the mud.
Move your crap.
I will. Alright, so Marshall's getting himself in position.
You realize there's like a 99.65534%
decimal?
chance. Yes, repeating decimal chance that I'm not gonna make it through this.
Yeah, I know.
Should I just pin it or should I tiptoe to the
I
window?
wouldn't tiptoe very much. So
Send it is. Alright.
you just got that one log in front of you.
Yeah, and I'm gonna. Hang on, I got this. I don't got this. I don't got this at all. Come on, baby. Doing better without me on it. Keep going, baby. You got it. I made it. I actually made it. Look at this mud, people. Oh my God.
Ta-da!
That's probably the only one I can make it through. I don't know if I could do the crossover.
This crossover here is nasty.
I usually get stuck there. I know.
You gotta pin it from where you are.
I might do the.
Why don't you, Marshall? Why
got
don't you go around to this one or something?
I got this. I want to do everything the 850 does to show the world 650 power, baby.
Oh, you're gonna freaking launch that thing.
I am gonna launch it.
Send it.
This is where it gets stuck, really? I lost my momentum, that's why. Rut right there. Really? Right here? Right there. Okay. There's a log right here. Let me see if this seemed to work for me last time. There's a nice stump that's buried there we can't get out.
One eternity later.
Hey, give her a yank and see. There she is. Alright guys, this is probably going to be the last mold hole of the day. Pretty simple one. You've probably seen us hit it before, so that's over there ready, locked and loaded. And try and get some nice slow-mo shots for you guys. Show you the water flying in the air and everything, so here we go. You hit me.
That's how you send it.
That might be the worst of the spots right there.
Oh,
Seemed to slow you down a little bit.
it did. All right, guys. So that's just fun, just straight up fun, just sending it like that. Shouldn't be any issue here for the 650. The 850 on the one time across basically skipped the whole damn thing. Probably look pretty cool on this side though.
Where was your big splash?
Huh?
Where was your big splash?
Lord, it was just spinning. Either that or spinning belt, one or the other. I gotta figure out how to turn around.
Oh yeah, baby. That's like a freaking fly.
One way to turn around.
Yeah. Too close.
Mackerel.
What do you got to say to the people?
Apparently, my quad gets stuck in the simplest little stupid stuff, but some of the other stuff doesn't seem to get stuck. And yeah, it sounds like Marshall needs new tires. And some clutching or something. I have clutch kit, but something else. Might see soon. Who knows?
They look pretty dirty, dude.
I don't know, that was a good day.
They look pretty dirty. And I don't see any leeches. Is that a leech? Nope. I don't see any leeches.
A day without leeches is a good
I think you
day.
zoomed way in on your face.
I don't think so. It's all the way out.
Is it? Okay.
Yeah.
To make sure. You're gonna hand it to me?
Oh, sorry.
Alright folks, so that was the end of the mud for today, but we're still gonna go down and do some water wheelies real quick and clean the quads off and over in the stream, because it's the easiest way to clean these things. I mean, it really is. It gets all the nooks and crannies and stuff that you can't really get with the hose or power washer. Just let it have it.
Yeah,
Water's actually really warm.
it is. It's unbelievable. Yeah, your ass is just
I know.
dirty as shit. You gotta rub it a little bit.
I see that. I have the camera bag though. All right, guys, just made it back to the house. There they are, smoldering away.
Yes.
Behind Seth.
Give him a little wash off in the stream.
Yep, we always like to do that. It helps wash us off as well.
Yes.
Try to at least a little bit, because yeah, get a little bit covered in mud. But that's all part of the fun. So we hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's been a little while, but we're back. We're back into action.
We are.
So yeah, today we really didn't have a plan as far as where we're gonna go riding or anything like that. This is kind of a not spur of the moment. We had a little bit of a plan, but
Not really. Just get in the mud.
we want to definitely visit some more parks. I know you guys are looking forward to that. We actually have some dates basically set in stone. We just have to confirm some stuff and everything to where we can come ride with you guys. Yeah. So definitely. So we'll let you know the places right now. So AOAA, definitely going there.
Yep.
Looking at Tall Pines.
Yep.
And then Lost Trails, probably that's gonna be more of a random thing.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna be at Stuck in the Muck. That's in upstate New York in August.
Yeah.
That date's basically already confirmed and everything, but we want to get an actual thing out for you guys. But so to be reminded of that, make sure you guys are following us on Facebook, TikTok,
And
Instagram, all that fun stuff. And what else, Seth?
Make sure you like, subscribe, and give us a comment. You know, we appreciate it, and we try and reply as best as we can. So until next time, America and Canada
And everywhere.
the world.
I was gonna say, what the heck?
Have you forgotten where you were?